Well, I'm Pastor Dave from the PortaParsonage, and today, while I was working on the camper, getting it polished up, cleaned up, and ready to pack away for the winter, FedEx came. It's an exciting day. It's also a little bit disappointing. Today, we received delivery of an e-bike, and I ordered two. One is still out there. I'm waiting. So here it is, the Lectric e-bike. This one is the black one. This happens to be mine. Jenni's is white, and hers is yet to arrive. It's supposed to arrive by the end of the day today, but I don't think it's left Arizona yet. Let's get this box open, and we'll see what we've got inside. First thing is to get this tape off, which is really simple. But then we've got all these staples. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Oh yeah, I gotta get some clippers for all of that. All right, gotta get this out. They sent me the saddlebags. We've got panniers. They came with them. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. And
what is that?
I'm thinking that that's the charger. It's a box with a box. All right, so we have our manual. And yep, I'm thinking that this is the charger. So put that there for a moment. That's exactly what it is. Charger and the instructions for the charger. Okay, so let's set these aside for a moment. This is 63 pounds. A little heavier than the other fold-up bikes that we had. And what is the fold-up and fold-up? I got it on my foot too. Alright, where do we begin? Guess we just begin.
Those tires.
Fat tires.
Look at that, that's my hand.
They're the BFTs. Yeah, those are 4-inch tires. Big fat tires. That's what the BFT stands for, so I understand.
Oops, I turned the camera. I'm not a paid professional.
Mine. Now I know on yours I can't do that.
What did you do? That you came up?
I came up and it slipped and it hit there. It's not a big deal. It doesn't show. It's cosmetic.
Okay, but
that. Go here. What are you doing in there, Fritzy? Huh? It's like Christmas. Ah, Jesus. Thank you. Oh, come on. Gee. And that's not even the big one. Here's the big one here.
I have a heavier set of clippers. You want them? I didn't bring you the best ones.
Here's the battery. So, this for now. Something is holding it together here. Somewhere. No, maybe not. All right.
Not simple, is it?
It's my first time.
I know, I know.
Oh, that is. You pull that back, and it comes off. It just pushes on. That's really nice.
Do it again.
Pull that button forward to pull it off, and and that's locked. Kickstand is down. Got some things to pull off here. And then I gotta put this. Keys. Then we'll deal with this. And that is supposed to, oh, look at that. Slick. Just slick. From underneath. And I think that I'm going to have to put this in before I put it back up again. I think that's what I'm going to need to do. Hold that, thank you.
Little trigger on that side?
Little trigger.
Okay.
This pulls up.
Okay.
Ooh. Alright, let me get that out from under there. There we go. That's nice because your handlebars can't be crooked. Can't be crooked. Okay, now there's lots to do. I've got to go through and tighten up. These are different. How do they work? Oh, they're metal. Nice, not plastic. Our old ones were plastic. So let's power it up and see where it's at. Oh, gotta have the keys. And the ignition, which is underneath here. I know it's simpler than this, but that's the keyhole right there. There it goes. Now we'll try it. I got to adjust the handlebars. I got to turn them and everything, but. And I got.
Okay, so there's no air in the tires, so you need to put air in the tires.
Right.
Okay, so you pumped up the tires, you tightened all the nuts and bolts and screws and things with probably more technical names.
Yeah, I don't know if I've got things where I want them yet or not, but.
The handlebars and seats are really easily adjustable.
Yep.
So now you're going to do what? You have rubbing alcohol.
And I'm going to just wipe off the discs for the disc brakes. Just to take any oil or whatever off of them.
So I see in the manual there's a like weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly maintenance schedule.
Oh, great. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I don't know what the intervals are, but it looked like it was pretty detailed.
Okay.
So it's got to come off. How does it come off?
You know what? That's just a protector altogether. It just twists off.
Oh.
And that's what we use.
That's the standard under there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Are we ready? Okay. The first run.
Did you get an image of the bar, the energy bar?
The energy bar.
Yeah, you got an energy bar. So what's that? Energy bar. So it tells me that I got.
All right.
So I'm gonna put it on.
So tell me about how this works.
Okay. So it's in first gear in the back now, and you just click once for each gear.
Okay.
And then on the way back, you push for each gear.
Okay.
So it's similar to what our other folding bikes were, but it's not as compact.
Okay.
And then here.
So these are your brakes, just like a regular bike.
Yep. This is the throttle. And this is what you change your pedal assist amounts to or with.
Okay.
And this is your power switch. And I think if you press and hold this, it turns on the lights.
Okay.
And
all right. Again, we'll read the manual just to make sure. You have company.
oh my gosh.
What do you think?
I got to adjust the seat just a little bit. So Jenny's taking the dogs for a little run while trying out the Lectric XP. And it takes a little getting used to. But here she comes. And if you touch the brake, it will quit. If you quit pedaling, it does too.